Alright folks, today I'm going to show you how to make the best vegetable soup ever. This hearty and customizable recipe is perfect for using up whatever veggies you have on hand. Let's get started. First up, our aromatic base. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 large chopped onion and cook until it starts to soften and turn translucent, about 5-7 minutes. Next, toss in 3 minced garlic cloves, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped celery stalks. Cook this mix for another 3-5 minutes. Now let's build the broth. Pour in 8 cups of vegetable broth and a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, juices included. Add 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes if you like a bit of heat. Don't forget salt and pepper to taste, and toss in a bay leaf if you have one. Bring this to a simmer. Time for the longer cooking veggies. Add 2 peeled and cubed potatoes, a cup of chopped cabbage, and any other dense vegetables you're using. Cover and simmer for 15-20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. Next, we add the quicker cooking veggies. Throw in a cup each of green beans, corn, peas, chopped zucchini or yellow squash, and half a cup of bell pepper. Continue simmering covered for another 10-15 minutes until everything is tender crisp. If you're adding greens like kale or spinach, stir them in during the last 5 minutes. They'll wilt quickly. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Remove the bay leaf if you used one. Ladle your soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley, grated parmesan, or a squeeze of lemon juice if you like. For extra heartiness, add cooked pasta, rice, or beans. And there you have it, a delicious, hearty vegetable soup that's perfect for any time of year. Enjoy!